Ever wondered if dropshipping with AI is a legit path to passive income? I'm putting this to the test by launching a full dropshipping store from scratch, with only $1 and under 1 hour, all from my laptop. Challenge rules. 1. Use only free AI tools. 2. Spend maximum $1 store creation cost. 3. Complete setup in under 60 minutes from one laptop. Step 1. Free AI Store Builder. I searched for a free AI tool to auto-build my Shopify store. I discovered Build Your Store, a platform that generates an entire store and lets you dropship products without handling inventory. Step 2. Choose a niche. Next, it walks you through choosing a niche. I weighed personal interest versus market demand. Ultimately picked sports and fitness, since there's huge interest and I know the space well. Step 3. Customize store design. It then offered 6 free banner designs. I skipped the generic multi-item banners and those 2 gender-specific, landing on a bold, inclusive, fitness-focused visuals. Step 4. Select winning products. Now came product selection. AI suggested trending fitness items. I looked for products with strong reviews and healthy margins. Step 5. Import via AutoDS. Then, I used a free tool, AutoDS, to import products directly with descriptions and photos, automating stock, pricing updates, and fulfillment. Step 6. Launch and publish. Once the store looked polished, I hit publish. It only cost me under $1, just for the store name registration. Step 7. Marketing with micro-influencers. Next, I reached out to micro-influencers for fitness freebies. This got me real user-generated content and exposure, without a big ad budget. Step 8. Test sales and growth. Within days, I had my first sales. The goal wasn't a massive launch, it was validating the model with real customers. This proves you can launch a dropshipping store, AI-built, low-cost, in under an hour. The real work begins next: how to scale, optimize ads, and streamline fulfillment. If you found this helpful and you're thinking of starting your own dropshipping business, or you're just curious about making passive income with AI, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I've got more step-by-step guides and real experiments coming your way.